Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm back in California and we're excited to be back. So this weekend we are heading to LA. We're going to Disneyland and I just wanted to take you along on prepping for Disneyland because it always is a process to leave the house, as probably many of you know with young children. So come along with me today. Go get your other ones. Well, we all have to also respect what's ours, okay? And what's not ours, and that's not yours. Take it out of your mouth, Cammy. Don't eat it. Remember? Okay, we're gonna make some chicken soup. Okay, so I am preparing chicken soup, but I'm thinking about when we return from LA, because usually we return in the late afternoon and it's dinner time, and I want to have something where we could just heat on the stove and be ready. So I thought this would be a good quick recipe for me to make today and just have when we come back. Okay, thank you for picking it all up. After this simmers, I'm going to cut my chicken and put it back in the pot. And then I'm gonna boil noodles and add them into the pot. I'm just gonna add a little bit more flavor to my soup. I'm just gonna add like a teaspoon of better than bouillon. Just adds like that extra oomph that it needs. I think I should have cut my vegetables a little bit smaller. I took my chicken out. I'm just letting it rest a little bit. Then I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna put them back, and then I'm gonna boil some noodles, and gonna call it a chicken soup. Finished soup. It's good. Kids will like it. It's not too salty, but it does have lots of flavor, so I think I did it. I think I did a good one. So when we go to Disneyland, it's kind of a journey because it's like a 2-hour drive. We usually stay the night over like near the park, and then we go the next day. So I just like to have a lot of snacks readily available, and I prefer to offer healthy choices to my kids because I just want them to have some options. Obviously, we do buy food in the park too, but snacks and stuff that Disneyland sells are so expensive. Like for Go-Go Squeeze or for any of those kid snacks, they let you bring your own snacks in, so I think that's the way to go, especially when you want to just buy their specialty items there. Right now I'm just going to cut some cucumber. This is something that Ellie, my toddler, she likes to snack on. So cutting cucumber and some oranges. I have a lot of oranges. This could be for the car ride, or this could be for when we're like at the park or whenever. But I just like to have these items available. okay. This one's a little flat. You found it? Oh, good job. I realized I had leftover rice and I was debating on making musubis because it gets hard and I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow, but I figure I may as well try it and just, yeah, just make some quick musubis. So I'm using my trusty furikake. I'm just gonna salt the rice a little bit, furikake, and make some triangles. Recently, back in Hawaii, I did go to Don Quixote and I got a triangle mold because before I was just using my hand. So I'm gonna try this one out. Okay, so I think my musubis turned out to be successful. I realized when you use like a musubi maker like that, you need a lot of rice to make sure it sticks and stays. So here they are, beautiful triangles. Okay, girls are just finishing their lunches with some leftover miso soup that I made. My breakfast for tomorrow is complete with we have some musubi, some random cheese pieces and some egg, and then I also have all that fruit that I cut, so that will be for today. Tomorrow we're gonna pack some snacks for the road, maybe some books in the car, hopefully they nap, and then we'll be on our way soon.
So we're going to Disneyland on like next Friday, but mommy's gonna pack some snacks.
You ate all your soup. Let me see. Wow, good job. Besides my first aid kit that I always pack with me when we go places, the other thing that to me is super essential is I always pack a brush because I bring the water bottles, and I have like straw brush as well, and I have dish soap, and I have baby shampoo. So those are like the 4 things that I pretty much always pack with, and it just comes in handy, especially to have dish soap with you when you have kids. Like, you just never know what you have to wash, so super essential. The other thing that I like to pack on all of our trips is our inflatable bathtub, and we've been using this probably for the last year or so, like almost on every time we stay at a hotel. And I mean, I know at this point, like, she can sit up, so it's not like so, or she can also stand, so it's not too bad to have to bathe her like in a regular tub, but I think this is just safer. And some hotels now, they just have showers, so it's always good to just be prepared. And yeah, I think our kids feel safer when they're in the blow-up bathtub. Okay, so we're going to pack our snacks for Disneyland, and yeah, I'm gonna pack everything. So just kind of wanted to share what I'm bringing, but I really like these dried fruits from Trader Joe's. These are like our go-tos. The kids like them. They calm them down when like you need a snack right away. In this bag, I just have some fruit snacks, some what is it called? Fruit snacks, the go-go squeeze, all like the stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated, some high chews, just like a bunch of different kinds of snacks in here. Cami really likes these, or she liked them the last time, but these crackers, and they're a little bit hard, but she's able to chew through them, so these I thought were healthier than other crackers, so we're gonna bring these good pins. I have snack cups. I would generally just bring one for the baby, my 1-year-old, but when you have a 1 and 3-year-old, they like the same things, so we're gonna bring 2. And then I'm bringing extra Ziplocs for ice and just for whatever else we may need Ziplocs for. Let's pack the refrigerated stuff.
We're going to Disneyland today! Before we go to Disneyland, we have to clean up the toys.
Very good. Is that what you're doing now, you and sister? Kind of? For packing, we have our egg and our cheese and our musubis that I made earlier. I'm gonna put it in our cooler bag. And I have some orange slices, some cucumber slices, blueberries, some chocolate milk. I really like these. I found these like at pretty much like Target or just like Albertsons or even Safeway has these. But these, I like them because they're 0 added sugar. So this one total has 6 grams of sugar. Like if you look at some of the other ones, they have like 14 or 12 to 14 grams. So I'm like, whoa. But these, they really like, and they just seem better for you. They're not as sweet. So I'm gonna bring these for the girls, and yeah, these are good. This is the blueberry apple carrot flavor. There's like a banana vanilla flavor, but they prefer this one. And I'm gonna bring some sparkling water for Reed and myself. I'm also bringing a smaller cooler bag to take into the park, just because it's easier for us, you know, to have. But yeah, bringing two, like a big cooler and a small cooler. The last thing that I packed for the girls is just a basket of toys, and mainly books and some toys for the car ride. And I find this to be quite helpful when they're up and they need something to do. So it has like a sticker book. It has books that make noise. It has little figurine dolls, these things, and lots of books. What are you doing in the back? Lots of books. Okay, oh, very good. So we got to the hotel, kids have been bathed, they're eating snacks now, and Reed went out to Target. So one of the reasons why we like staying at this hotel, we're staying at the Delta Hotel by Marriott, but it's right across a Target. And something that I forgot to purchase or pack ahead of time, which I like to bring, is water, because water at the park is really, really expensive. So it's worth it to bring your own water. So Reed went to go get some water and some other just small snacks that we can bring in.
It's like fighting with people it's like the end of the world, and everybody's trying to get their rations. The shelves are bare and everybody's reaching up to grab stuff all at the same time.
So what are the most popular items?
Where you sent me, the kids aisle for all the kids snacks, granola bars, water. The water shelf is bare.
Oh,
it's like crazy.
See? I really like these yogis. I like the strawberry one. I've never tried the mixed berry, so I'm excited. This is like for the kids, but it's also for me because I like this snack. He got some granola bars and some bananas. So amongst all the other snacks that were packed today, that is also what we packed. But here is just a snippet of our hotel room. And we just got one king size bed that we are all going to snuggle on. Look at your littlest one. Excuse me, what are you doing? Come over here. We're gonna end the vlog here.
I see something.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I can wake up in the morning and go to Disneyland.
But what ride are you looking forward to? What are you excited about?
There's a Toy Story ride. There's a
Spider-Man, remember?
Spider-Man ride. And there's probably a Smaller ride, but the Smaller ride is going to be closed soon.
Alright, so we're going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me if you watched it to this point. For our adventure at Disneyland, check out my Instagram because I probably will be uploading a reel or two of our experience there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye!